Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yep, that's right, I am back here again at Superior Auto Sales, doing a lot of recording again, and this time they have something I think you guys are going to like, because I fell in love with it and I caught it out of the corner of my eye as soon as I walked in the building. Like I always say, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below, hit that bell for notifications, so this way you know all my new videos that come out, and take a look at the old ones. But today, I did show you that McLaren, that SLR, which is really, really nice, but there's something else here. This car is being shipped. So they do ship cars from the United States to Canada, and then from Canada into the United States. So if you have a car that you need shipped, they can do it for you. So if you see anything that you like or have any questions, hit sascars.com, look them up, and call them. But in the meantime, I'm going to show you this nice pretty red one that's in front of me right here that you guys can't see yet. But I've seen it and I fell in love with it and I want to take it home, but unfortunately I can't. So in the meantime, I'm going to show you guys this car and I'm going to go over that McLaren again. So, and to let you guys know also, that Smokey and the Bandit car, that car was actually supercharged. I didn't know that I couldn't get the hood open because it opened up the other direction. So I made myself look like an idiot, but that's okay. It happens. But that car has already come and gone. That car is sold, it's long gone. It didn't stay here long at all. So a car like that, they don't stay long. But yeah, I'm going to show you this nice, pretty red Ferrari. So, but man, this car is really, really nice. Which one this is, I'm not exactly sure. I mean, I used to know a lot of the older Ferraris. Man, this car is so, and it's a really, really bright red. Oh, it's got that nice, I guess they call it that peanut butter color interior, but we'll get to that in a minute. Like I said, this car it's being shipped from Canada into the United States, so yes, they can bring them here for you. So any car that you buy from them, if you live in Canada and you see it here, because they are based in the United States also, they can ship it to Canada. So don't be afraid to look at their website and, you know, talk to them about a car. It can be shipped into Canada. I don't know anything on this car, so I'm just gonna have to go by what I see. Man. Wow. And this is the best part of the job right here. Getting in them. Oh, okay, well, we're gonna see what year this is and what it is, hopefully. No, it's a... doesn't tell me what year. I don't know. So, but man, look at all this. Stop and start button just to turn it on, to start it. All your controls right here on the steering wheel. Yeah, the 599 GTB. There you go. And it's in kilometers. Look at this, all carbon fiber. Wow. And these seats, man, these are racing seats all the way. They just hug you real nice. Nice, beautiful stitching too. That is really nice, nice red stitching trim on it. Yeah, right here. F1 Championship, if you can see it. 2007. So I don't know if this car is an 07, I'm not sure. That I do not know. But yeah. There's your radio. Carbon fiber. Oh yeah, this is all carbon fiber too. But man, this car is so nice. Oh, definitely no back seats. You got your luggage straps back there if there's something small. But yeah, this car is really, really nice. Even comes with an ashtray. Oh, let's see if I can get the... I'll take a look at the other side here. If the door's unlocked. Nice brakes on it too. Drilled, not slotted. Nice dual exhaust, air dam on the bottom. I don't know if it's unlocked from this side. Yeah, it is. So yeah, all your seat, even the seats are carbon fiber. The whole back of it is carbon fiber too. Wow. See if I can get this seat forward so I can show you. Yeah, the whole back of this seat, if you can, yeah, you can get that in the reflection. All carbon fiber. Wow. This is really, yeah. I'm putting the seat back. Yeah, this is really nice. But man, well, you got your sun controls up there too. I'm not sure what they're for. No glove box. Nope, not at all. You think there would be one, but there's not. What's going on, man? Oh, one of the guys that works here. Gotta love that. Ferrari brakes on it. Those brake rotors are huge. You can see all that. Yeah. Let's see if I can get the hood open. Not sure where. Yep, got the hood open. It popped anyways. See if I can get it open here. Come on. Oh, I think I just had it. Giving me a hard time here because I don't know where it's at, and I don't want to break anything. Come on. Come on, you guys. I can't see where the pop is. Well, I'm not gonna try and break this because you can feel all the other stuff on it. But I'm not gonna try and get it open, and break anything. I wanted to get it open, but I couldn't. But you guys, yeah, you guys remember this one. I filmed this one too, this SLR. This was really nice too. This is the best part of the car right here. Oop. Just leave it alone. But I still love how they're into the roof. And where did it come up then? On the pillar? Yeah, it's all on the pillar, it looks like. Look at that metallic. Man. Yeah, it all connects through there. Yep. Love this car. Oh yeah. I love when they get cars in like this. It's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun. Yeah, there you go. McLaren. Love that nose. nice color interior. Oof. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this one here. So if you like what you see, leave a comment down below. Like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, hit that bell for notifications, and you know the drill. I'll see you guys on the next one.